All right. It is a privilege and an honor to introduce the next speaker, who is a great person and a great leader and a visionary, Mr. Brett Taylor.
Thank you so much. This is awesome. My first TrailheaDX. I'm so excited to be here. I have to tell you, I've had the privilege of being a software engineer and a product designer at some amazing companies like Google and Facebook, and there is nothing like this community in the world. I mean, it's truly the foundation of this company. It's why I come into work every day. We would not be here if not for all of you, so thank you so much. This community is amazing. When I look around the room, I realize all of you individually, you're the ones driving the digital transformation of our economy. If you just feel the optimism in the air in here, do you all feel that? You look at the fourth industrial revolution and you see things like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, and I think the people in this room, you don't see risks, you see opportunity. Opportunity to transform the relationships you're building with your customers. And it's interesting because every time I come to this event and interact with this community, I'm reminded of one very important thing. Digital transformation starts and ends with the customer. We're not here to learn about technology for technology's sake. All of us are here in this room because we know that our customers expect a different version of our companies than they did a decade ago. Modern customers expect connected experiences. Modern customers want service wherever they are, whether they're staring at their phone, as pretty much they all are all the time nowadays, or glancing at their watch, or chatting with Alexa, or standing in front of a service agent. Modern customers want personalized service and marketing and commerce. They want personalization at every touch point with your brand. And modern customers know that every device around them is connected to the Internet of Things, from their tires to the thermostat. And they want an integrated, intelligent experience that makes all of these things sing, all of these things work together. And you know, the thing that I think about a lot is, it is so hard to make connected experiences nowadays because these technologies are changing every single day, every single week. But the opportunity for all of us in this room is, when you build those connected experiences, it's totally magical. I'd love to talk a little bit more about what I think a connected experience look like. One of my favorite stories that Keith was talking about was Marriott. And I want to talk to you about this amazing trailblazing company, because for me, Marriott is amazing. This is not a company born in the digital era. This is not a technology startup. Marriott was founded in 1927. But they have digitally transformed their company to provide a connected experience at every step of the trip. So as it turns out, I've been spending a lot of time with Sarah and the Trailhead team lately, and let's just say I've got Serengeti on the mind. I don't know why. If you come to our offices, you'll find out. It's all Serengeti all the time. So I thought a good way to show you this Marriott experience was to book a safari in Zambia. So I get this personalized offer from Marriott for this safari in Zambia, and it seems amazing. I have a family with 3 kids. This seems like a perfect family-friendly vacation to unplug after TrailheaDX and see a safari, which I've never been on before. Now, here's the cool thing. Here's why this experience is connected. I get this offer on my phone, and I've got the Marriott app installed on my phone, so I can actually book this entire experience without leaving my kitchen table. I can choose my hotel, and so since I got 3 kids, I add a few more pillows and blankets. Pretty important they all have a place to sleep. Step one of the trip accomplished. I can even book this entire trip without pulling out my wallet, because this app is connected to Apple Pay. 2 taps and a facial scan later, I've booked a trip without pulling out my wallet or stepping up from the kitchen table. This is like science fiction. Imagine describing this to someone a decade ago. This is crazy. But here's the thing. Marriott knows that a connected experience isn't about a transaction. A connected experience is that end-to-end customer experience, and that connection continues when we land on our trip. Now, here's the cool thing. We're pulling up in the car to the hotel. I can actually check into the hotel from my Apple Watch before I even get out of the car. And we don't need to wait in line to get a key card for our room or check in. We just walk up to our room, and I unlock it, And my kids are hanging out on the couch within about 30 seconds of pulling up to the hotel. And if you have 3 small children, you know how freaking awesome that is. And then immediately my wife steals my phone and turns up the temperature she does in every single room she's ever walked into. And she doesn't need to search the walls for the thermostat. This is a connected room. My kids can start fighting over what music to listen to while my wife and I unpack our suitcases. This is crazy because this is interesting. This isn't a hotel room. This is our hotel room. Every step of this journey is personalized to me and my family's preferences. This is what it means to be connected. But more than just connected, this experience is intelligent. Without my even reaching out, the front desk noticed that our flight got in early and we might be hungry. They offered to bring some food to the room. They even give me a replacement for my lost iPhone charger. This is proactive, predictive service. Modern customer experiences are predictive and intelligent because they're based on data, and they're based on this incredibly powerful new technologies. For me as the customer, it just seems like magic. They just figured this out. But behind the scenes, we have these amazing technologies powering these almost deceptively simple, magical experiences. Our entire trip is like this. We get recommendations for activities we can take, restaurants we can visit. This entire experience has transformed my relationship with Marriott from my just being a customer of this one transaction to really a loyal advocate for their brand. This is the power of creating a connected and personalized experience. So how did Marriott do this? I would say the main thing that Marriott did is they created a 360-degree view of the customer, a single view of the customer, of me and my family. And they did this by connecting everything. They connected all the systems at Marriott, their CRM, their ERP, their data warehouse, and they connected every device. The device in my pocket, the device on my wrist, the device on the walls of the hotel room. All of these devices were working together in a connected way to give me this experience. And I really think this is the promise of these new technologies. How can everyone in this room create a connected customer experience for their customers? This is our vision for the Salesforce platform. All of you can create experiences like this. It all starts with Lightning. Lightning Platform is the fastest way to build applications that work on every single device. And of course, every Lightning app is powered by Einstein, so all of your applications can be predictive and intelligent, whether or not you're a data scientist. Every app can be smarter with Einstein. But here's the thing. So I've been in this job for a few months, and the first thing I did is I went on the road and I talked to a large number of you all over the world. I heard over and over again that one of the hardest things about building a connected application was actually the connection. You know, I heard over and over again, look, I'm not like an Apple or a Google. I don't have a building full of software engineers with PhDs. I'm a 100-year-old insurance firm, and my IT infrastructure is a total mess. How do I connect all these systems to build experiences like these? And that's why I'm so excited today to announce our newest cloud and the newest capability in the Salesforce platform, the Salesforce Integration Cloud. Thank you. Our vision for the Integration Cloud is totally simple. We want to enable you to connect every system, connect every customer, and connect every device to your applications. Whether those systems are on premises or in the cloud, whether those customers are in multiple orgs or multiple clouds, and no matter where those devices live, we want to enable you to connect all of those things to create a connected customer experience. That's the Salesforce Integration Cloud. And that's why we were so excited last week to announce our intent to acquire MuleSoft. When I was on the road and I talked to people who are working on integration projects, I heard over and over again from developers that MuleSoft was the technology they went to for their integration projects. How many people in the room have heard of MuleSoft before? That's awesome. So the MuleSoft Anypoint platform is absolutely amazing. It enables you to create an application network of every application at your company and expose that as a uniform API that you can use to build connected applications. For those of you who are MuleSoft customers today, we are so excited to partner with you on your integration projects, whether or not those projects involve Salesforce. And for those of you who are new to MuleSoft, MuleSoft will power the integration cloud and all of your Lightning apps will be more connected. I would just love if the Muleys from MuleSoft, do you mind standing up again and being recognized? I just hope you feel the energy in this room. We are so excited to welcome you to this Trailblazer Ohana. We are so excited about the prospect of working with you. We're inspired by your technology, and I'm just excited at the prospect that you're joining Salesforce. Thank you so much. So, integration is the next big new capability of the Salesforce platform. Just like you can make your apps smarter with Einstein, you can make your apps faster with Lightning, you can make all of your applications more connected with the Salesforce Integration Cloud. And we're going to go deep on all of these new capabilities today. First, we're going to give you a much deeper overview of this new Integration Cloud and show you how you can connect every experience. And then we'll walk you through the Lightning Platform and show you you can build apps faster. And of course, we're going to walk through Einstein and show you can make all your apps more intelligent. And then finally, there's Trailhead. Trailhead is the lifeblood of all these technologies. With Trailhead, you'll be able to learn how to apply all of these new technologies to your businesses and up-level your career.